Hi everyone, welcome to part 4 of my Boujie yarn. So what do I have for you today? Well, I have another UK company which is called Bird Street Yarns, and this is called Kestrel. This is a DK weight and I've got the grey to go with it, and this is going to be a sweater. Again, superwash merino and nylon, and then I've got some sock yarn from the Little Grey Girl, again a UK company, and I've got these which I'm not sure what I'm going to make with these. This is a finger weight hand dyed extra fine merino, very lovely colour. I haven't decided what I want to make with that yet. I might add another colour to it, just to I might add I'm not sure yet what colour to add with that. Maybe a nice vintage pink colour with that. I've got some yarn from Poppy and Poppy Lady Angela, and this is a finger weight acrylic and cotton blend, and she dyed it to my to the colours that I would like. We've also got yarn from Hobby Lobby, which this is going to be a hat and cowl set. I've got some yarn from Vicky Brown, again a UK company, and this is a DK really called Blackcurrant. And then I've got a finger weight which is a sock yarn, and so they're going to be socks. I got this yarn from my wonderful sweet friend Dark Sky Sophia, which I'm just blown away. My favourite colour combination, blues and browns. I'm going to make something really special with that. I haven't found the pattern that I want to use yet, but I will do. And then this is from Hobie. It's a blend of wool and bamboo, and I'm going to be making hats with this. I've got 4, so I'm going to make a nice hat and cowl set. Don't forget to check the description box for with where all the links will be to all the companies that I mentioned. Beautiful yarn, love my Boujie yarn. Vicky Brown, Hobby Lobby. I've got yarn from near enough all over the world. Bird Street yarn. I've got the monochrome as well. So this is a really nice variety of yarn. Very tactile. I love it, and I hope you enjoy it too. Don't forget to check the description box below. Please give a thumbs up, like, share with your friends, and if you're new here, welcome, and I hope you're enjoying this series, which I have done as a for me to log what I've got, and also to share with you, and also to put into nice little organza bags to protect them from as the summers come in, and that I want to protect my Boujie yarn from moths and any other little insects. So take care everybody, stay safe, but more importantly guys, as I always say, be kind to you, and until the next video, bye bye for now.